Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone down to prevent shorts. Remove the case and SIM tray if it blocks access. Use a bright light and magnifier to spot lint, corrosion, or bent pins inside the 3.5 mm jack. Once done, assemble a toothpick, canned compressed air, a cotton swab, and 90% plus isopropyl alcohol. These tools let you remove soft debris and evaporate moisture without damaging contacts. Now proceed gently. This first clean makes later steps simpler and safer. Once you've prepped, blow short bursts of compressed air into the jack at an angle. This loosens trapped lint without forcing it deeper. Next, gently scrape with a wooden toothpick or plastic pick. Avoid metal. You're removing soft debris and fluff that interrupts contact. Then dampen a cotton swab with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol. Rotate it inside to dissolve oils and evaporate moisture. After cleaning, let the jack air dry for 5 to 10 minutes before testing the headset connection. You now test by inserting the headset and gently wiggling the plug while playing audio. Check left, right, and mic functions. If audio is intermittent, examine the headset plug for bent rings or dirt, and try a different headset or an inexpensive adapter to isolate phone versus accessory faults. If the jack still fails, the contact or solder joint may be damaged. Make sure to back up data, then seek professional jack replacement or board-level repair. One tip: if noise persists, a replacement jack usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.